Hello guys and welcome back to Motor Gears. Today, we are going to see the all-new Fiat 500 fully electric vehicle. So, without wasting the time, let's start the video. Going to the design, well, to reinvent an icon is difficult, especially when it's one of the greatest hits, so Fiat walked a thin line as it developed the first new 500 since 2007. Unveiled online, the hatchback is just as huggable as its predecessor, which is sticking around, and it honors tradition while embracing cutting-edge technology. The driver sits behind a 2-spoke steering wheel and a configurable 7-inch digital instrument cluster, while a 10.25-inch touchscreen, propped up on the dashboard, displays a new version of the well-regarded Uconnect infotainment system. It looks decidedly more upmarket than the 500 it replaces, though it's difficult to tell without seeing in person and sitting in it. Fiat made the new 500 all-electric, all the time. It's built on a 42 kWh lithium-ion battery pack that zaps a 118 horsepower electric motor into motion. Its maximum driving range checks in at 199 miles, though the Italian firm obtained that figure by putting its city car through the optimistic testing cycle. It takes 9 seconds to reach 62 miles per hour from a stop. It has a 93 mph top speed, and plugging it into an 85 kW charger fills 80% of the battery in just 35 minutes. Alternatively, you'll need to wait 14 hours for a full charge if you plug it into the same household spec outlet you use to keep your phone and your laptop juiced up. The new 500 is on sale now in select European markets, and Fiat priced the launch edition model it plans to build 500 units of at 37,500 euros, a dizziness-inducing sum that represents nearly $42,000. In comparison, Mercedes-Benz charges about $300 less for a base C-Class with a turbodiesel engine and an automatic transmission, and the new 500 gasoline-sipping predecessor starts at 15,510 euros in its home country of Italy. The regular production model will be cheaper, but we don't expect it will slip under the 30,000 euros threshold. So, this is the all-new electric Fiat 500, which is going to compete in the market. Hope you guys like the video. For more videos, subscribe to Motor Gears and press the bell icon so you will never miss the upcoming videos. Till then, stay tuned.